Let me show you how to make glowing glasses portrait effect in Photoshop. The first step is click on the adjustment layer icon and choose brightness and contrast. Decrease the brightness to 150 and the contrast 100. Go back to adjustment layer icon and choose hue and saturation. Then check the colorize box. Make the hue 185 and the saturation 35. Go back to adjustment layer icon and choose the levels. I'll make the highlight output white slider 155 and the highlight input white slider 230 and midtone input slider 0.75. Press Ctrl J to duplicate background layer. Then move the background copy above levels 1 layer. Select the pen tool. Click Path Operations and choose Exclude Overlapping Shapes. Then draw a path around the eyeglasses and the cup. You can use any selection tool that you like. When you're finished, press Ctrl Enter to new selection. Click the Add Layer Mask icon. Then right-click on the background copy and choose Convert to Smart Object. Press Ctrl I to invert the image. Go to Image, Adjustments, and choose Hue and Saturation. Check Colorize box. I'll make the hue 187, the saturation 78, and the lightness 12. Then click OK. Press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. Go to Filter, Blur, and choose the Gaussian blur. Increase the radius to 18 pixels. Then click OK. And change the blend mode to screen. Create a new layer. Change the blend mode to overlay. Select the brush tool. Click to open the brush picker and choose the soft round brush. Set opacity to 100% and the flow 15%. Click the foreground color. Then pick a color from the glowing images. Press left and right square bracket key to resize your brush quickly. And paint brightest areas on the model. Press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. Then change the blend mode to color dodge. And reduce the fill to 60%. Select the layer 1. And paint around the fingers to add highlight. Select the top layer. Click on the adjustment layer icon and choose the hue and saturation. Check the colorize box. I'll make the hue 206 and saturation 50. Go back to adjustment layer icon and choose the curves. Click to add point in the highlights area. And set input 165 and the output 200. Click to add point in the shadows area. And set input 70 and the output 60. When you're done, close the Properties panel. And this is the result.